Hi everyone, this is a video about this Nitecore NU series, and this model is NU35, and the price of this varies from £37 up to £45. It depends which place you're purchasing this. This item is really, I looked a lot to get one that is useful really, and it has a great battery life, and it has many other functions. So this one is NU35, as I mentioned, from Nitecore, and it has dual power hybrid. It means it has inside battery as well as taking 3 AAA batteries as well. And this headlamp it has many function, and the maximum lumens is 460, which is on the boost side. That is doesn't last too long, but it has other functionality as well, and you can also use this with while it's charging. If you use a charger that is capable of 2 amp, and this is the back of the item, and if you hear anything outside, the kids are playing and they are happy that they have a little bit of freedom anyhow, so excuse the screaming outside. So this is the back of the item. You can pause and read, but we are going to talk about this in a moment. And this is the side of it, front, top and bottom. And if you are like me, or OCD, and you want to open this and don't damage the box, the way to open it is from bottom here. You can just take this out from here like so, and then open it and get everything out of the box. The unit comes with this, with the charger, and something that I have to mention, most of them they are coming with micro USB cables, but this one is coming with a type C USB cable, which is very good, because nowadays everything is micro USB, so it's better to have something that is capable of doing that. And this is the star of the unit, this video. I'm going to talk about this as well, and one extra o-ring for the battery door that shortly I'm going to show you. So this is the unit itself. It comes with a instruction manual that is, let me find the English one. The first one is Chinese, and this one is Italian, and the other one is English. It's very tiny written, and because of that, yeah, you need one of the Nitecore NU35 to shine a light, and a microscope, or a very strong lens to read all of this, magnifying glass to read this. But I have read all of this, and the only thing that is really important is that the runtime that you get with 3 AAA batteries, they are longer than the battery inside, the built-in battery inside. As you see, you can compare all of those, and you see this is the chart for the lithium-ion battery, and this is the AAA battery, and the time you can see that is different here from there. For instance, it says here the time 2 minutes, and these are the distance and the timing. is 15 hours, and there is 10 hours, and then here it says 50 hours, and here it says 32 hours, and so on. So the batteries, AAA batteries, they are doing a better job than the inside battery, built-in inside battery, and it comes with a authenticity chart or booklet that it doesn't have any stamp here, but who cares. I put it aside, and this is the o-ring, and show you where the o-ring goes, and micro and USB to USB type C charging cable, and then the unit, the strap. I have to tell you, I look all around YouTube and eBay to find the most comfortable ones, that it doesn't leave a mark on your face. I have to also mention that, you know, most of people, they are talking about these headlamps, they are just talking about the runtime and how bright they are, in case that if is uncomfortable to wear, so who cares about how bright they are, because it's going to hurt you, and you are going to interrupt your hiking and, you know, your running or short, because of the how uncomfortable they might be. But this one is relatively comfortable. It doesn't leave very heavy marks on your forehead, but it's still you can see the printout of this area on your face, as well as the elastic band, the headband. But this headband is something, it has something special as well. It has a strip of silicone here to avoid sweat running down your eyes, so that is very nice, and it's adjustable like so. It's very easily adjustable, so it's really good. So there are other ones that I was looking into buying them. One of them was NU35, which is very small, and the life of the battery obviously is lesser than this. And the other one was NU05, that they are very tiny, and the life of the battery, of course, is short as well, but you can use them as they have red and white. You can use them on your strap, your head strap or headband, one at the front with white and the other one at the back, that they are about 20 pounds without the kit set. The kit set comes with a strap to put it on your bicycle and so on, but this one is mainly for me to just have a long time battery life, and tiltable, and with built-in batteries, as well as being able to put 3 AAA batteries as well. And it's compatible with rechargeable ones, but when you charge it, it doesn't charge your AAA batteries at all. So the charging is only for the built-in battery, and then here is the place for your type C USB cable to charge it, and then you can just plug it in to avoid any sort of damage in case of water. But this unit also is water resistance up to 1 meter, and that o-ring was because of that. And this is the o-ring, as you see. There is nothing here, but this is the o-ring that it goes inside here just to lock it in place. So that is a bonus as well, and it's tiltable, and it has some safety mechanism here, some sort of edge here to avoid pressing these by accident. But if you press it really hard, it's going to turn on and turn off. So it's just something to have as a safety measure. And it's just immediately after I bought it, I thought that I'm going to use this only with a built-in battery, because it's getting heavier. So as it gets heavier, this mark that is going to leave on your forehead is going to be heavier as well. So this is how I'm going to use it. And how to use this is, if you press, you have clearly here, this is really good, you have a power button and R button. R is for the red light, and the power button is the primary and auxiliary light. And if you press and hold the power button, the auxiliary light is coming on, which is only those two on the side. And if you leave it more than 3 seconds, if you press it, it goes off. But if you just press it, the center light is coming with a floodlight. It's really little, and then if you leave it for more than 3 seconds, it's going to turn it off. But if you press it once, twice, and 3 times, and this is the maximum, and then the boost, you have to hold it. And I have to tell you, my hand is getting hot right now. Not hot, it's warming, and you can feel it properly. And after 3 seconds, if you press it once, it's going to go off. And the red light, this is really handy, that you don't have to flick one button for control of the red and the white. And the red one once is going low, second going high, and the third is going to flash to save battery, and third is going off. And then if you want to check the battery, if you press and hold the red button, you see that LED is going to flash 3 times. It means your battery level is over 50%, near to the full. And if it goes 2, it means 50%. If it goes 1, it means 10% is charging time. And this one also is giving you SOS and flashing SOS light with the primary light there. And if you hold and press and hold the power button, it's coming on. And if you leave it after 3 seconds, if you press it, it's going off. So this is a very, very good light, and is I'm going to weigh it, but I heard that is 50 grams with the strap, but I'm going to weigh it for you. With the strap, the way I balanced it on this little one is 77 grams. So it's not much. It's good for long wearing this headlamp, and I fully recommend this for this price, for the £37, but not for £45 or £50. It depends to the different sellers. But for the price of £50, there are other lights that you can use, you can purchase and be content with those lights, because is you know, there are loads of them out there. I was going crazy until I purchased this one at this price. I think it was under £38 from eBay. And if you are interested, I'm going to show you the link on eBay where I purchased it, and it was next day delivery. So I just get my mobile phone and show you the seller. So this is the seller, and this is the listing of the seller, £37.95, and the free 2 days postage. And then the seller is this bright camp. So you can go there and purchase this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.